Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight into system controls. Press the Windows key or click the Start menu, then open Settings. If you're on a Mac, click the Control Center icon at top right. Make sure you're logged in with administrative access so changes apply system-wide. Once done, navigate to Network and Internet or the Wireless section. This is where airplane mode lives. Don't waste time checking unrelated apps. Go directly to the network settings to take the next actionable step. Once you're in network settings, find the airplane mode panel and look for a clear toggle labeled airplane mode or flight mode. It may be grouped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options. If the toggle is off but radios remain disabled, make sure individual Wi-Fi and Bluetooth switches are enabled. For many laptops, an FN key combined with a wireless symbol can also toggle radios. Try that if you prefer a physical shortcut. Make sure to confirm both software and hardware controls are aligned before proceeding. Flip the airplane mode toggle to off, then explicitly enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if they didn't automatically restore. You want radios active. Next, check the taskbar or menu bar network icon to confirm available networks populate and then reconnect to your preferred network. If you still have no connectivity, restart the laptop to reload drivers. If that fails, update or reinstall wireless drivers or check for a physical wireless kill switch. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure airplane mode is off in both system settings and any OEM wireless utility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.